works better, hormone replacement therapy or birth control in perimenopause? I'm Dr. Roelands, board certified OBGYN in integrative medicine, and I wanted to do this video specifically because these two people had made comments, so let's dive into this. Well, the basic answer to this question is that they wanted to understand the difference between birth control and HRT and why choose one or the other. If you need birth control, then you should take birth control. If you need birth control because you're still concerned about pregnancy and you don't have any other options for contraception, then yes, go the birth control route. Eventually you will get off birth control as you hit menopause because just safety factors, it's better to be off of birth control. Now, if you don't need birth control and you're trying to choose, should I stay on my birth control pill or should I start hormone replacement therapy? There are a couple of things to consider. First of all, birth control pills will give you a cyclic bleeding. So if you're in perimenopause, you may be starting to experience shortened cycle lengths, or even they're starting to get spaced out, because that's actually the nature of perimenopause, where you start to get kind of these shorter periods every 21 days, and then they space out to 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 3 months, whatever the story is, before you officially go into menopause, which is 1 year without periods. So if you're starting to notice cycle changes, some women prefer birth control pills because it gives them a very regular cycle. Every 28 days, you're going to have a period, and so it's almost predictable, when perimenopause can be very unpredictable. And so they prefer just to be on a birth control pill. So if you've been on it for say 20 years and you're like, you know what, I just want to continue this because this is easy, that's fine. When you get to menopause, you're going to have to stop it. So at some point when you know you're at that point, either by age or you just know that you're not really having any cycles even on a birth control pill, then you'll probably end up stopping your pill. So I sort of describe that birth control pills, you're making everybody the same, right? So it doesn't matter if you're 25, 35, 45, you're taking the same pill. They are synthetic hormones because there is no birth control pill with bioidentical hormones, but you're taking the same dose that every single person does. So I feel like in some ways it's kind of suppressing 25-year-old ovaries, and then for women who are 45, they almost need like restoring as opposed to the suppression. I prefer hormone replacement therapy because it's personalized. It's specific to you and where you are in your stage in your menopause journey, and that can change. Like you can be certainly on one dose of estrogen and progesterone at say 50 and then a different dose at 55. So I feel like there's a way to personalize it depending on what you're doing and what your health status is, as opposed to a birth control pill where you take it every single day. Long term, by the time you hit menopause age at 51, most providers will say it's time to be off of birth control and to consider hormone replacement therapy or not consider hormone replacement therapy. So at some point you will have to end it, but with hormone replacement therapy you do not. You can take it till the day you stop breathing. Those are old recommendations. We used to take people off at 10 years on hormone replacement therapy, but now we don't. You can still continue to take it as long as your health status is good and that you don't have any other risk factors or contraindications basically for being on hormone replacement therapy. So in summary, if you need birth control, then you should still take birth control in general. Now, it doesn't have to be a pill. It can be an IUD. It can be a vaginal ring. It can be a patch. I mean, there are many forms of birth control, but if you need birth control because you are capable of getting pregnant, your partner has not had a vasectomy, or you potentially could get pregnant, then you should take birth control because that's the safer method for you. But if you're not needing birth control and you're considering the difference between hormone replacement therapy and birth control, I would consider that hormone replacement therapy would be a better option for you so that you could continue to personalize it as you age, but also you can sort of find the right regimen that makes sense for you. And I am a fan of using more bioidentical hormones, and so there is no bioidentical birth control currently on the market. That's kind of my simple answer for that. Anytime you are considering any changes of your medications or what you should do, you should always consult your healthcare provider because you just don't know what is the right choice for you without understanding your risk factors for your health, but also just kind of what is the best choice for you.